Why do UK residents light bonfires and fireworks on November 5th? Let's unravel the haunting history of Guy Fawkes. In 1606, King James I passed the Observance of the 5th of November Act, making bonfire celebrations mandatory. A law until 1959. What started as Gunpowder Treason Day morphed into a fiery festival by 1670. Come the late 18th century, children began burning effigies of Guy Fawkes. Q penny for the guy, they'd parade dummies in old clothes chanting eerie songs like "Remember, remember the 5th of November, gunpowder, treason and plot. I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot." Could those 36 barrels of gunpowder really have flattened Westminster? Some argue the powder was too old. Even today, Parliament's cellars are searched before the state opening, and whispers of Fawkes' ghost haunting the Tower of London still linger. Guy Fawkes